friend of mine told me about Dr. Kerim. She had interviewed a lot of different plastic surgeons, and Dr. Kerim was her favorite. I had this droopy eyelid that was bothering me. It became very clear to me in talking with Dr. Kerim that there was a lot more going on than just a droopy eyelid. And you know, I just turned 50, and it just suddenly my face had just dropped, and I guess I really didn't realize it, how much it dropped. Now looking at the before pictures, I can't believe it. He had showed me ways that things that he had suggested for me, and I ended up doing all of them, and I couldn't be happier. I feel like $1,000,000 bucks. I feel like I'm in my 30s now. I have so much more confidence at work, in my friendships, in my relationships, and I look in the mirror, I just feel like when I look in the mirror now, I feel like I feel inside.